Here we have a drop-down complete longboard. Yokohama has been continuously innovating its products to bring you the best since 1997. This complete longboard features 41 inches of pure adrenaline within its solid 9-ply maple construction. This drop-down comes equipped with 9-inch heavy-duty aluminum trucks with a reverse kingpin setup to handle rigorous downhill and free-ride styles. With 70 by 52 mm 78A hardness gel speed cruiser wheels, you will surely enjoy a smooth ride. Tiny bumps, cracks, and rocks will pose no threat to beginners and experienced riders alike. The Ritalin ABEX 7 bearings will allow you to fulfill your need for speed. The Black Widow premium grade grip tape paired with the flat concave on this board will allow you ample foot space while giving you the ability to secure your feet speeding downhill or tricking out. Whether you want to bomb a hill, carve a class, or ease through foot traffic, the drop-down will equip you with the necessary means to maximize your longboarding experience. With durable construction and first-rate components, the Yokohama drop-down sets the bar for affordable, high-caliber longboards. What are you waiting for? Feel the Yokohama experience with the drop-down complete. Get your ride today.
Boo Cruiser Longboard. Designed as the ultimate cruiser, cold pressed with 3 plies of carbon-infused bamboo and 2 plies of fiberglass. This makes the deck incredibly flexible and strong for smooth cruising and lively carves. At 42 inches long, 9 inches wide, with a wheelbase of 34 inches, this cruiser is super smooth at slow speeds and really stable at high speeds. The deck features a shallow concave with a really nice arched camber, which makes for an incredibly comfortable ride under your feet. The drop-through trucks lower the center of gravity for easier pushing and greater stability. In the mood to dance or ride freestyle, you'll definitely appreciate the subtle kicktails on either end of the deck. The deck shape also features cutouts around the wheels to prevent any potential wheel bite. The sand grit finish on top of the deck provides grip for your feet and looks amazing on the bamboo. Our logo is laser etched for a clean and stylish look. The trucks are manufactured from high-quality gravity cast aluminum, making them strong and durable. The 78A wheels are made from a high-rebound SHR polyurethane formula. If smooth cruises with the occasional trick are your thing, then you have to check out the Magneto